welcome back. It's Jyoti. What's happening? What? I had no idea this dropped. Let me just say. Suddenly, my friends started messaging and calling and saying, listen, we'll go and watch Durandar together and we'll watch this movie. And I was like, why are you suddenly all about this movie? Kya hua? Like, so they're like, haven't you seen the trailer? I was like, what? There's a trailer? I thought the first look was the trailer. They were like, the trailer just dropped today. So I was like, oh shit. I had no idea, man. I live under a rock. But anyway, very excited to get into the trailer. The first look itself was enough to convince me that I need to watch this movie in the cinema. And then the track came. And now we have this. And apparently on this, there's Rebel and Yoki on the track. So how much have I been championing Rebel of recently, especially if you are on Instagram with me, you will know. But very excited that she's on this as well. And actors to hain hi kamal ke. There's Ranveer, Sanjay Dutt, Akshay Khanna, R. Madhavan, Arjun Rampal, Sara Arjun. Sara Arjun, I don't know, but ठीक है. I've heard Akshay Khanna is very menacing, and ठीक है. Also, Aditya Dhar has confirmed this. I just saw it on X a couple of days ago that this the main character, Ranveer's character, is not based on Mohit Sharma. So people can relax on that front. So we don't know. It does say based on true events. We kind of know who some of the characters are. And people have guessed that correctly. लेकिन रणवीर का कैरेक्टर कौन प्ले कर रहा है अब ये रणवीर का कैरेक्टर किस पे बेस्ड है ये हमें नहीं पता अभी तक एंड शायद पता करना भी नहीं चाहिए और होना भी नहीं चाहिए. इट इज सपोज टू बी सीक्रेट गाइस. Secret missions. Self explanatory. Anyway, so I'm excited. Shashwat, as always, awesome. Lyrics Irshad Kamil. Okay. The best in the biz are around. Hindi vocal Shehzad Ali. Rap written and performed by Rebel, Yoki, and Shashwat Sachdev. Produced by Jyoti Deshpande, Lokesh Dhar, and Aditya Dhar. Written, directed. Okay, I'm excited. Let's get into it. यहाँ पे क्या लिखा है? It's number 1 on movies trending charts, of course. Not surprised. And तुम लोगों के पटाखे खत्म हो गए हों तो मैं धमाका शुरू करूं. These one-liners are needed, है ना? Okay, as you can tell, I'm very excited. Let's just get into it. 1, 2, 3, flip.
उन्नीस 1971 के जंग के बाद पाकिस्तान में बड़ा उदास सा माहौल था. मैं 6 साल का था. रेडियो सुन रहा था. उस वक्त जिया उल हक ने एक ऐसी बात बोली जो मेरे जहन में गड़ गई. ब्लीड इंडिया विद 1,000 cuts. बिल्कुल ऐसे जिस तरह हमने इसके जिस्म पे इतने छोटे छोटे से सुराख बनाए ना, इससे बदतर हालत करूंगा मैं उस मुल्क की. लेकिन आज का बिस्मिल्लाह इसके साथ.
और आप हैं मेजर इकबाल ISI से. इनकी मर्जी के बगैर पाकिस्तानी सियासत का एक पत्ता भी नहीं हिल सकता.
मेजर इकबाल साहब जिस पर मेहरबान हो जाएं, उनका मुस्तकबिल बदल जाता है.
There's a big bad gangster on the loose, thick skin coat with a black leather, big news. There ain't nothing that a man can do, so bring in the war with blood, we pay dues. There's a gangster. Words he don't speak, but the danger will tame ya. Shit where you eat, little bitch, say your prayers. Call him the gangster, don't slander the stranger.
सर, मुंह तोड़ने के लिए मुट्ठी बंद करना जरूरी है. We must infiltrate the very core of terrorism in Pakistan. ताकि वो भारत के खिलाफ अगर नींद में भी सोचे ना, तो उनके ख्वाब में भी हम बैठे नजर आने चाहिए.
Oh baby, you know what I wanna. Got the trigger on the gun, you gotta move it how I want it, gotta. I'd rather keep it to myself. I got no love to understand. I got this blood on my hands, so babe, you don't understand.
मुझको वादा किया गया, उसे भूलने की गुस्ताखी मत करना. रहमान डकैत की दी हुई मौत बड़ी कसाई नुमा होती है.
Look, okay, panic. When I walk in, they gon' panic. There's too much blood, they need bandage. There ain't nobody left standing. When I take shots, they can't manage.
5 साल पहले ना एक शैतान और एक जिन में जबरदस्त सेक्स हुआ। 9 महीने बाद जो पैदा हुआ उसका नाम पड़ा चौधरी असलम।
Baby, give me that violence, gotta move. You ain't one of my problems, gotta move. Baby, give me that violence.
अगर मेरे साथ दगाबाजी की ना तो मारने से पहले तुझे रणवा बना दूंगा। और जमील साहब, आपको खस्सी
अगर तुम लोगों के पटाखे खत्म हो गए तो मैं धमाका शुरू करूं।
Baby, give me that violence, gotta move. You ain't one of my problems, gotta move. Baby, give me that violence, gotta move. You got to.
ना तो कारवां की तलाश है, ना तो हम सफर की तलाश है।
Holy. Okay. I couldn't even watch some of it. I just covered my eyes. I couldn't. And even without seeing. Sorry, I don't have these kind of reactions, but they've done the job of what a trailer is supposed to do. They did not give away any of the plots of the actual movie, and yet they have given us goosebumps times a million with our curiosity peaked even more than that. And they have laid down the baseline. Like this is the level we are operating at in terms of the intensity, the gore, the drama, the violence, the thing. And the first look, okay. Firstly, should I go back and watch it again, like without covering my eyes? I don't know. I don't know if I can take it. I already couldn't take it from the first scene. Wait, I didn't see what Arjun Rampal did to the guy just before that. I cannot see this shit. What the? Okay, so he is a major of the ISI. Then you have this dude, Akshay Khanna, who is, of course, you have Ajit Doval. I love the way R. Madhavan looked at the camera when he said what he said. Oof, oof, oof. Clear messages are being sent. I like it. I like it. But okay, I will not watch it again because meko thoda, I value my sleep at night. Just saying. But this has done the job that a trailer is supposed to do and how. Now, this is a beautiful example of how a trailer should be. बहुत सारी मूवीज के ट्रेलर्स ऐसे होते हैं कि पूरी कहानी पूरी मूवी आपको दिखा दी ट्रेलर में, फिर आप थिएटर क्यों जाओगे, राइट? They've shown you everything. They've shown you the plot, they've shown you the twist, they've shown you what happens after, they've kind of shown you the end also. So there's no point. In this, very clearly, they just kind of introduce the world to you in the first look. They introduce the world that this is based on true events and the true events are in this world. And it kind of gave you a peek into the look of the characters and their names and all of that. अब इसमें उन्होंने ग्राउंड वर्क ऐसा ले किया है कि ये है 3 लोग who are brutal beyond your wildest imagination. Okay, one is this Arjun Rampal, and that bleed India by 1,000 cuts nonsense. So we have seen that mentality carries on, right, to date. And it's very poignant that they mention that right at the start, because we are feeling the generational carry forwardness of that thought till date. This very month, I'm recording this in November, this very month we had another bomb blast, right? So it continues. And so that's why it was very interesting that they started the trailer with that particular quote mention. So that, and then of course you saw the brutality of the person saying it. Then we cut to I'm just scrolling through. Then we cut to this guy, Lyari Town. Lyari Town is what? Wait. Manu had told me this. Is it Karachi or Issa? What is it? Wait, one must Google this. Lyari Town is which city? Lahore? तो नहीं है, Karachi है. Oh, Lyari is a town located in Karachi. Okay. Isn't that where all the mafia and everyone was like the most. Oh, यहाँ पे already धुरंधर के बाद ये हो गया है. Residents of Pakistan's Lyari divided over town's depiction in Dhurandhar. हमसे तो पूछते. Okay. Showcases the gang violence that took place there over a decade ago. Okay. It presented a semi-fictionalized account of the Lyari gang wars, which stretched for a decade from 2009. Now residents of the town have reacted, and their reactions are mixed. Okay, that's expected. इंडिया वालों ने फिल्म बना ली, हमसे तो पूछते, हम उनको दिखाते लियारी की गलियां. रहमत डकैत का भी बताते. Others have said that the look of SP Chaudhary Aslam was recreated perfectly in the film, while Akshay Khanna's Rahman Dakat looked nothing like the real gangster. Many invited Sanjay and Ranveer to Lyari. Usko batayenge Lyari kya cheez hai. But then many of them said that the trailer managed to capture the environment. Jaisa inhone shoot kiya hai, वैसा ही environment hai Lyari ka, said a local resident who had seen the infamous gang wars. Okay. Lyari is a historic locality of Karachi and one of the oldest inhabited cities in the region. In the 80s and 90s, gangs began to take control of the township, running crime across Karachi from the stronghold. The gang of Uzair Baluch and Rahman Dakat even had political patronage before the local SP Chaudhary Aslam carried out an operation against them in the late 2000s. Achha. Okay. So Dhurandhar shows a fictionalized account of these incidents while adding elements from India's war against terror. Okay. Got it. Lovely yar. Okay, so he's standing at this big board, welcome to Lyari Town. And then we have Ajit Doval, sorry, R. Madhavan point, saying what he needs to say. I like the little things that were popping up, the text on screen. Charioteer of Karma, which is Krishna, है ना? और ये क्या था? Sorry, I'm just going back to the text. Angel of Death is Arjun Rampal. आप हैं charioteer of karma. And ये Kasainuma, that word I do not like. What is it for this one? Apex predator for Akshay Khanna's character. And then what did it say for Sanjay Dutt? It didn't say anything. It just said SP Chaudhary Aslam. Okay. And then that's it, this December. So basically they laid the groundwork by introducing the bad, evil character. Not evil, not all of them evil, but all the main characters except Ranveer's, which is, you know, he's the protagonist. He's going to come in and do his thing. मैं धमाका शुरू करूं. धमाका 5th December को ही होगा, उससे पहले नहीं होगा. If you expected the dhamaka in the trailer, then that's on you. Come to the cinema hall. Okay, so then brings you an epic saga. And so when Ranveer was standing there with this one guy and just shooting and they were laughing, that was nice. I like that shot. Wait, Gadha. Let me find it. Somebody asked me today, I was recommending this hair oil on Instagram and someone messaged me and said, ये oil लगाने से क्या मेरे बाल रणवीर सिंह जैसे धुरंधर वाले हो जाएंगे? I said, क्यों नहीं, why not? कर लो try. What is with this hair? Okay, one second. Where is that scene? Why can't I find it? Hold on, guys. Oh, we have a rally of Benazir Bhutto also here. Okay, so he obviously had their patronage, Rahman Dakat. Why am I not surprised? Okay. Come on, man. Where is that frame? Oh, okay, I'll be here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So Ranveer's got 5 guys with him. So it's like a gang. He's got his own crew. And all the violence is to the beat of the track. First of all, that track slaps. It was so good. Wrath of God. That's the phrase for Ranveer at the end. Damn, son. Okay. I mean, ठीक है. Aditya sir, we are the list. on our way to the cinema hall. Man, how do they shoot these things? He's literally shooting a guy who's on fire at the end. Okay, एक second. I'm not finding that shot and it's now beginning. Ah, there. 157 पे. They're just walking aram se and they're shooting away with the sunset in the background. Yes. Okay, lovely shot. What else do I say? The track was fire. I mean, god damn. The soundtrack. I mean, ऐसी ही soundtracks होनी चाहिए ऐसी movies की. Goosebumps. You know what, you guys? I'm gonna try and like have the stomach for it and watch it again because I covered my eyes through all of it. I was not emotionally prepared. Let's watch it again. I might have some more comments after. 1, 2, 3, play.
उन्नीस 1971 के जंग के बाद पाकिस्तान में बड़ा उदास सा माहौल था। मैं 6 साल का था।
That's expected.
रेडियो सुन रहा था।
But they believe they won
वक्त
that war. It's very strange.
जिया उल हक ने एक ऐसी बात बोली जो मेरे जहन में गड़ गई। ब्लीड इंडिया विद 1,000 cuts। बिल्कुल ऐसे जिस तरह हमने इसके जिस्म पे इतने छोटे छोटे से सुराख बनाए ना, इससे बदतर हालत करूंगा मैं उस मुल्क की।
Really.
लेकिन आज का बिस्मिल्लाह इसके साथ।
और आप हैं मेजर इकबाल ISI से। इनकी मर्जी के बगैर पाकिस्तानी सियासत का एक पत्ता भी नहीं हिल सकता।
मेजर इकबाल साहब जिस पर मेहरबान हो जाएं, उनका मुस्तकबिल बदल जाता है।
There's a big bad gangster on the loose, thick skin coat with a black leather, big news. There ain't nothing that a man can do, so bring in the war with blood, we pay dues. There's a gangster. Words he don't speak, but the danger will tame ya. Shit where you eat, little bitch, say your prayers. Call him the gangster, don't slander the stranger.
सर, मुंह तोड़ने के लिए मुट्ठी बंद करना जरूरी है। We must infiltrate the very core of terrorism in Pakistan, ताकि वो भारत के खिलाफ अगर नींद में भी सोचे ना, तो उनके ख्वाब में भी हम बैठे नजर आने चाहिए।
Oh baby, you know what I wanna. Got the trigger on the gun, you gotta move it how I want it, gotta. I'd rather keep it to myself. I got no love to understand. I got this blood on my hands, so babe, you don't understand.
और जो वादा किया गया, उसे भूलने की गुस्ताखी मत करना। रहमान डकैत की दी हुई मौत बड़ी कसाई नुमा होती है।
Look, okay, panic. When I walk in, they go panic. There's too much blood, they need bandage. There ain't nobody left standing. When I take shots, they can't manage.
बहुत साल पहले ना एक शैतान और एक जिन में जबरदस्त सेक्स हुआ। 9 महीने बाद जो पैदा हुआ उसका नाम पड़ा चौधरी असलम।
Baby, give me that violence, gotta move. You ain't one of my problems, gotta move. Baby, give me that violence.
अगर मेरे साथ दगाबाजी की ना, तो मारने से पहले तुझे रणवा बना दूंगा। और जमील साहब, आपको खस्सी है।
अगर तुम लोगों के पटाखे खत्म हो गए तो मैं धमाका शुरू करूं।
Baby, give me that violence, gotta move. You ain't one of my problems, gotta move. Baby, give me that violence, gotta move. You got to.
ना तो कारवां की तलाश है, ना तो हम सफर की तलाश है।
God damn. 5th December. I'm going. First day for show. That's it. Can you just, I mean, I didn't say this, but did you see the acting? Arjun Rampal, man. I mean, as evil as he is in this trailer, his acting, his delivery, everything. Sanjay Dutt तो है ही Don कब से. He is the king of this genre. My God. But Akshay Khanna, man. I mean, what mold can he not fit himself into? What world or like give him any kind of I just don't have the words. I just don't have the words. Give him any kind of role. Any kind of role, and he will take it beyond 100. And how, my God, these are the kind of actors you need, right, to execute a vision like this. I just cannot. Ranveer to hoga hi amazing. There's, the thing is, Ranveer is who he is off camera. I don't care about that. But on camera, there is, he's a once in a generation kind of actor, and we have to give him props for all his work. Like I have really admired all his work, right from Band Baja Barat. It was my favoriteest movie that year, and I was just like, this guy has carried. He carried, and from then, you're like, what can this guy not do? What can this guy not do? So, except his, what was that movie? The Dharma movie that I reviewed on my Insta stories. Rocky. Rocky was a blip. Okay, let's just leave it at that. The less said, the better. But even in Ram Leela, I didn't love. There's a lot of over the top characters I don't like. But again, it has more to do with the direction than this one. But for me, one of his best ever performances was Bajirao. And after that movie, I was convinced this guy can do anything. Bajirao was like, I don't think anyone could have played that. Not in this generation of actors. I don't think anyone could have played it the way he did. And then Ranveer is just basically the point I'm trying to make is Ranveer is just a class apart when it comes to his actual job of acting. So well done, well done. I'm looking forward to this. We saw the chopper dropping these guys off. So they're clearly plants and they've come from this side and they are infiltrating, and those kind of movies are very rare. And when they do get made, they're cheesy or they're not realistic enough. And this looks like it's going to break all those, norms and expectations for the better. So yay, chalo, I have bakpakod enough on this. It's number 1 on movies trending chart, even so many days, 11 days after the trailer drop. Not surprising, not surprising. And given this world that we live in today, where, since they surrendered in 1971 and 93,000, the number that is etched in history, since all of that happened, there has been an ongoing mission from that side to spread terror in India. And I'm glad that films like these are getting made on those topics because they're needed. And a lot of I think anyway, I won't digress too much into that line of thought, but I feel like these movies are also important for Gen Z because they've not lived through all the 90s, 2000s. They've not lived through those decades and those periods where a blast was a normal thing. Every other week, every other city was facing some kind of bullshit going on. Most of the Gen Z don't even remember 26/11 Mumbai attacks because they were too young or they were just born. So anyway, more power to Aditya Dhar Films and for all the work they do. I am gonna see you guys at the cinema on 5th December. Who's coming? Let me know. Chalo, take care of yourselves. I'll see you in the songs ka reaction. ठीक है? इसके 2 गाने आ गए हैं. We'll get to those as well. Take care of yourselves. Live long and prosper.
Ready?